In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete sent by others in your Google Drive. So in your Google Drive, to see the files that is sent to you by others, you need to go to the Share with Me option here at the left panel. So just click on that. And then here are the files that is sent by to me by others. And if you guys want to know how to delete it, you can just click on the file, right click on the file. Okay, so when you right click on the file, you'll see the remove option right here. Just click on remove and the file will be deleted. Okay, so that's it from me. That is how you can delete files sent by others in your Google Drive. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.